Hello viewers, this is Mahmood. In this video we are going to solve another problem from the previous papers, that is about Maclaurin series. The problem is, use the Maclaurin series to find the expansion of cos square 3x as far as the term in x to the power 6. Expressing it in its simplest form, hence evaluate cos square 0.3 to 4 significant digits. And note, we have to use this identity for cos square a. Okay, so the identity is cos squared a is equal 1 upon 2 1 plus cos 2a, right? Here we are finding the Maclaurin expansion of cos square 3x. So if we replace a by 3x here in this identity, so that is replace a by 3x. So the above identity would become cos square 3x is equal 1 upon 2 1 plus cos, here 2a, it means 2 multiply 3x, so that would become 6x, right? So let's say this is what we call equation number 1. Okay, now we know that the Maclaurin series for cos u is, that is cos u is equal 1 minus u squared divided by 2 factorial plus u to the power 4 divided by 4 factorial, then minus u to the power 6 divided by 6 factorial plus, and so on. Okay, so here we are going to find the Maclaurin series for cos 6x. Okay, so we have to replace u by 6x, so then this series would become cos 6x is equal 1 minus, instead of u we have to put 6x, so 6x squared divided by 2 factorial, then plus 6x to the power 4 divided by 4 factorial, then minus 6x to the power 6 divided by 6 factorial, and plus so on, right? But we need up to term x to the power 6, so we have to truncate the rest of the term. So that is cos 6x is equal, that would become approximately equal, so not exactly equal, so that would become approximately equal 1 minus, and 6x whole square would become 6 square is 36, and x squared divided by 2 factorial is 2 multiply 1, that is 2, and then plus 6 to the power 4 is basically 1296, x to the power 4 divided by 4 factorial means 4.3.2.1, so that is going to be 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 times 1 is 24, so that is going to be 24, minus 6 to the power 6 is 46,656 x to the power 6 divided by 6 factorial is basically that is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that gives us 720. Is it okay? So now further simplification is, that is going to be 1 minus 36 divided by 2 is 18 x to the power 2. 1296 divided by 24 is 54 x to the power 4, and minus 46,656 divided by 720, that gives us 64.8 x to the power 6. Okay, so basically our this is cos 6x is approximately equal to 1 minus 18 x squared plus 54 x to the power 4 minus 64.8 x to the power 6. Okay, now we have to put in equation number 1. Okay, so equation number 1 will become, 1 implies that here cos squared 3x equal 1 upon 2, here 1 plus, so we have to put cos 6x value here. So this equality will become inequality, approximately equal, sorry, not inequality, basically. So this is going to be approximately equal to 1 upon 2, 1 plus cos 6x is going to be 1 minus 18x squared plus 54x to the power 4 minus 64.8 x to the power 6. Now divide each term by 2. So here 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1, minus 18 divided by 2 is 9 x squared, and 54 divided by 2 is going to be 27 x to the power 4, and minus 64.8 divided by 2 is 32.4 x to the power 6. Okay, so this is basically the expansion of cos square 3x up to x to the power 6 term. Okay, and that is basically in the simplest form as well. So cos square 3x is approximately equal to this polynomial of degree 6. Okay, so this is basically the Maclaurin expansion of cos square 3x. Next we have to find cos square 0.3. So cos squared 3x is approximately equal to 1 minus 9x squared plus 27 x to the power 4 and minus 32.4 x to the power 6. Okay, here you can see the argument of cos square is 3x, so we have to put 3x as 0.3. so when we are going to find the value of x, so the value of x would become 0.3 divided by 3. So that is basically 1 divided by 10. Okay, so we have to put 1 divided by 10 means 0.1 in the above expansion. So cos square 3 times 0.1 is equal or approximately equal 1 minus 9 into 0.1 squared plus 27 0.1 to the power 4 minus 32.4 0.1 to the power 6. Okay, so on the left side it would become cos squared 0.3, that is approximately equal 1 minus 0.1 squared. Let me calculate it. and then multiplied by 9. That is going to be 0.09 plus 0.1 to the power 4 and then multiplied by 27. So that is going to be 0.0027 and then minus 0.1 to the power 6 multiplied by 32.4. That is going to be 0.0000324. Okay, so then we have to add all these terms. So 0.0027, then minus 0.09, then plus 1. Yeah, so that is going to be equal 0.91266676. Okay, so the final answer is cos² 0.3, that is approximately equal. So we need to stop up to 4 significant digits. So that is going to be 0.912 and round off, so it will become 7, 9127. So this is the final answer.